Hey guys, let's begin. So welcome to the 2021 Solution Challenge info session. I'll be telling you about what the Solution Challenge is, what the theme for this year is, the prizes, the judging criteria, and we want everyone who's interested in the Solution Challenge to definitely register. Uh, Google has provided resources and support as you work on your solutions, and after you register, you will receive directions to join their online community where 100 plus mentors such as Googlers and Google developer experts will be available to help as and when you want. So this community is home to the rest of the Solution Challenge registrants who are connecting, asking questions, and moving through this journey together. You will also be added to the check-ins where not only will they share extra resources, but also collect how you are doing as a team to support you better. So this is the table of contents that we'll be going through. The first is overview, where we'll be talking about what the 2021 Solution Challenge is, what the main themes are, and how you can go about it. Then we'll go on to prizes, the judging criteria, what the timeline for the Solutions Challenge is, a couple of introductory overview videos, resources that Google has provided for this, and a few FAQ questions. We will also be providing you with the 2020 Solution Challenge videos and a few videos about their projects, so you can get to know a little bit better about what kind of solutions are being made. So this year's theme for the Solutions Challenge is to solve one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using at least one Google technology. So this link will lead you to know more about all the 17 goals that are there this year, and your solution should revolve around at least one of them. You are sadly not allowed to create a solution which is outside of these 17. So please make sure that you go through these really well so you understand more about what they are and choose your solution idea accordingly. So this is what the page will look like. Okay, prizes. So all participants who register for the Solutions Challenge and submit their solution will receive a Google Developers Digital Profile Badge as well as an official certificate which will state that you have participated in the Solutions Challenge. The top 50 teams will receive customized mentorship from Googlers and experts to take their current solutions to the next level. The top 10 finalists will receive additional deep mentorship, swag, a one-year subscription to Pluralsight, and the opportunity to showcase their solutions to Googlers and developers all around the world at Demo Day live on YouTube. The top 3 winners will receive a Chromebook, a coffee chat with a Google exec, and a feature on the Google Developers blog. So the panel of judges from Google will be judging based on two main criteria, that is impact and technology used. So impact is worth 60 points, technology used is worth 40 points. So there are 5 questions with respect to impact. So you will have to clearly establish which one of the 17 sustainable development goals your solution is focusing on, and has it been able to clearly explain the targets they're looking to solve for. Next, you will have to state how exactly your solution is addressing the challenge identified by the team. What kind of evidence is there of the next step? And does your team have a plan for future extension if they were to continue with the solution? Is there evidence that the solution has been tested with real users and feedback has been taken to improve upon the solution? Next is technology. So does your solution implement all the technical components needed to solve the challenge? In this, you will have to use at least one Google technology in your solution. Second, has the team clearly explained what Google tech they've used, why, and included guidance on how to run their code? Does the video demonstration show the working solution and how a user will interact with the solution? Does it also highlight how the Google techs are implemented and also mention the value the technology provides the users? Finally, has the team made an effective product? Let's go on to timeline. So the first step that you will have to do is join the Google Developer Student Club. In this case, you will be joining our club. Anuja will be putting up the link in the chat box. So you will have to register. Only after you register do you become an official member of RDSE, that is DSE CCOEW. Once you become a member, you have to register for the Solutions Challenge by submitting this form. You can click on the link and open the form. Every member of the team has to fill this form individually. This is so that you register yourselves into the 2021 Solutions Challenge. Then you can form a new team by deciding amongst yourself. After that, you can go through the link provided earlier to select one of the 17 SDGs that you will be implementing a solution on. After identifying what goal you have chosen, you can start building your solution. There are a couple of resources which have been provided by Google that I will be talking about in a little bit, which will help you to design the front-end interface and the back-end technology. After this, you will have to test your solution and iterate and repeat the process. Finally, after you've completed building the entire solution, you have to record a demo video, which can be a maximum of 2 minutes and submit it by the 31st of March. That is the final deadline. The top 50 solutions will be announced in May, and deep mentoring for those top 50 teams will be done in May and June. The top 10 finalists will be announced in July, and the top 3 winners will be announced live on YouTube in August. So this is what the registration form looks like for each individual participant. So the first link will lead you to the timeline. This timeline will show you all the steps that are needed to complete the solutions challenge in detail. It will also show you the 17 goals and also explain them, the resources, uh, demo day, the winners of last year's solutions challenge, any terms and conditions that you may have to follow, and any FAQs that may have occurred in the past or are currently being asked by the participants. The second link is our DSE link. Please do register, because if you do not and you apply to the solutions challenge, you will not be considered as a proper participant for the solutions challenge. So there are 3 videos. We will not be watching them today, but we will be providing the presentation so that you can watch them with your team. These videos have been given to us by Erica Hansen and Arman Hazer Khani. They'll be talking a little bit more about the 2021 Solutions Challenge, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, and how you can possibly build a solution to any one of them.
Hi.
So these are some of the resources which have been provided by Google to upskill. You can click on the link here and it will lead you to this page. So these solutions include the Android basics and Kotlin, building apps with Flutter, programming neural networks with TensorFlow, building actions for Google Assistant, using Firebase, Data Science Cloud, and Web Pathways. So the next is the design sprint. So design sprints are usually done as a 5-day exercise where you solve problems by designing, prototyping, and testing ideas with the users. So it helps the team to validate their ideas before actually building the entire product. There is an entire link that has been provided where all these 6 steps are explained in detail. And after reading those, your team can build their custom design sprint so that they can work through it. So please do that. We have also provided a few more tutorial videos on how you can brainstorm as a team and develop solutions based on your topic for the solutions challenge. There are 4 videos and they're highly educational. So we do recommend that you watch this with your team. Okay, so after you fill the registration form as an individual, you will receive online support and mentorship. Right after you finish registration, an email will be sent to you, which will have details on how you can join the Parthian platform and what kind of things can you do here. You can ask technical questions on specific Google products. You can get feedback on your solution idea from mentors and peers. And you can also get technical advice on how to continue building your product. So this is what the page looks like. So if you're planning to use a Google technology which requires Google credits, these are how you can redeem them. Only one member of the team is allowed to fill out the Google Cloud redemption form, and you can get access to Google Cloud training by clicking this link here. And you can also read a little bit more about how to use your Google Cloud credits efficiently here. So there are 3 FAQs that we'll be going through. The rest are available on the previous link that I had mentioned. That is the timeline link. So can my solution solve a problem outside of the scope of the 17 SDGs? Sadly, you are not allowed to. Your solution should solve at least one of the 17 SDG problems. Can one student or team submit with multiple submissions if they have contributed to both projects? Term and conditions state that one student or person is only allowed to enter with one project. So you will not be able to submit more than that. So given the implications of social distancing, our ability to test with users was impacted. Will the judges consider this? The judges are considering the following facts: the ability to meet as a team, ability to have users test the solutions, and the lack of internet access or proper developer environments due to displacement from college campus. So it is okay, but we do recommend that you try and build the solution as efficiently as possible. Any questions that you may have, any further questions with respect to FAQs, you can ask the DSE lead, that is me from college, or you can also visit the Parthian site and talk to the mentors provided. So these are last year's Solutions Challenge winners. We have provided the links to all the videos of their products. You can definitely watch these videos to know about what they had built in 2020. And you can read more about these products on this link. So this is what participants had said in 2020 about the code paths for upskilling. This is the video of the 2020 Solution Challenge Demo Day, which was hosted live on YouTube. You can definitely watch this because the winners have showcased their products. And Google product experts and viewers have asked the teams questions with respect to their products. So you will understand exactly how Demo Day will take place. So we've built a small flowchart so that you know exactly what to do. So the first step is that you have to open this timeline to find out the steps that you need to follow in this solutions challenge. It will also give you access to the 17 goals, the resources, the demo day videos, the winners of last year's solutions challenge, any terms and conditions that you may need to follow, and further FAQs. After that, you need to join our DSC via this link. After you have done so, this is what the page should look like. You will be added to our member list, to the member list of our college. After this, you have to join the Solution Challenge event page. This is the link for the Solutions Challenge 2021. After doing this, you can RSVP to any upcoming events, and you can watch the videos to any past events by clicking on the past events link. Okay, registration form for the solution challenge. Every member, that is every individual, irrespective of the fact that they're taking part as an individual or a team or an organization, has to fill this form. The link has been provided here. This is what the registration form looks like. Please do so ASAP because the link may close in a while. And you need to successfully complete this form to be an official participant of the solutions challenge. After this, you can go on the link provided to read more about the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals to decide which goal you want to build a solution for. There is a lot of information provided about all 17 goals, so please do go through it properly with your team, or if you are an individual, then by yourself. This is the link for the design sprint. This is an entire kit provided by Google where the 6 phases of a design sprint are mentioned with details on about how these phases work. So you can read through them and understand how you can build your own custom design sprint. This is the link to all the resources that Google is currently providing. with respect to the 2021 Solutions Challenge. This includes introduction videos, demos, walkthroughs, and other resources like code paths for upskilling. After you have completed the solution, you have to submit your solution at this link, and only after you do that will your submission be successfully considered for the judgment stage. So please do not forget to submit your solution. You have to create a demo video of up to 2 minutes, which will talk about your solution and which will show the working of your entire solution in detail. So the deadline for submission is 31st March 2021. Put your solution into action, record a video of a successful demo. As I said, a maximum of 2 minutes long only. The submission form is already opened. You can watch examples of last year's demo solutions here. The link has separately been also been provided below. We can't wait to see what you all build. All the best. We're now open to any questions.